video is, I think this is my first Nykaa haul in the year 2021. I'm super excited, super thrilled. And if you're watching me for the first time, then my name is Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. And today's video is yet again a Nykaa haul. I've got so many tons and tons of products and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Many of the products over here I have got for giveaways, so you have to watch it entire. So without any further ado, let's move on with today's video. So the first product which came on my hand is this Biotic Bio Coconut Whitening and Brightening Cream. So this product, I have also shared a review on this. Stay tuned, or if that video is up already, I will link it somewhere on the screen, so you guys can definitely go ahead and check that video out after you watch this entire video. So this is Biotic Bio Coconut Cream. It retails for rupees 199, but I think I paid somewhere around 160 or 170. All the prices will be mentioned on the screen. It's a beautiful and it's one of my favorite products, especially during the winter season, and I'm super loving it. So the next product which I got is another hair care product. Now I'm not really a big fan of the hair care products because I don't experiment much. I stick to the ones which have been working out for me. So this time, while I was scrolling through Nykaa's website, I thought that why not give Livon a try. And this, I'll just quickly share. Okay, this one, the retail is for rupees 60 and it is 20 ml. Now I have also not even opened the package and everything. Look at the beautiful packaging. Super good. This is how the bottle looks like. Super good, super gorgeous. Simply loving it. Can't wait to style my hair with this. I've heard so many things कि Livon बहुत अच्छा होता है, मतलब आपके hair को damage नहीं करता है. I do hope that it does not. And if you guys want any such reviews from any particular these set of products, let me know in the comment section down below. I will be trying to keep you guys' request. So the process is, however, that you can apply it on your dry hair, or you can just apply it after you have shampooed your hair and it's dry and everything. So the next product is this Blue Heaven Lip Balm. It's from the flavor Bubblegum, and this one is definitely going to one of you guys. It is going to the giveaway because I have my version. I have been using this, so I thought that ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है, creamy है, moisturizing है, and ये आप पूरे साल use कर सकते हो. So I thought कि why not give the same thing to you guys as well. So the next thing again I got is this VLCC Red Beerberry and Fashion Food. Remember, I had shown this one in my previous Nykaa haul as well. So this time I thought that why not I get another one for one of you guys. So this is gonna go for the giveaway also. So I just thought about you guys. I have got so many products. So the next stuff which I have is this Vadi, and this one is the almond version. It is absolutely handmade soap, lavish handmade soap, almond soap with essential oils. This one, the MRP is rupees 34, but all the prices will be mentioned. I am a big fan of handmade soaps and I'm a big fan of perfumes. I love so many good fragrance wala things. मैं पागल हो जाती हूँ. Next I have got this Blue Heaven Blue Eyeliner. I'm not opening it because this is going to one of you guys. So stay tuned for the giveaway, guys. Stay tuned. Next I again got now this one is for blue shade, and this one I got Blue Heaven the black eyeliner. This is, I think that I'm gonna give to one of you guys because I have eyeliner, because I had previously shown you guys the Maybelline Colossal eyeliner. Next I have one sheet mask. Now I use a lot of sheet masks. I use like Face Shop and Nykaa. Now I use Face Shop and Nykaa sheet mask most of the time, but this is the first time I got my hands on Garnier sheet mask, and I've got only one from there because I wanted to try it out for the first time and then see whether it's working out for me or not. This one retails for rupees 99, but I will mention at what price I got. Now this one is for Serum Mask Ageless White Super Hydrating Firming Tissue Mask, and it is with grapeseed and hyaluronic acid. It is for dull skin, lack of firmness. So if you guys want me to do this on camera for the first time and share the review with you guys, let me know. in the comment section down below. So I will be happy to share the review with you guys as well. So next I got a lot of lipsticks for you guys. I got so many lipsticks for you guys. So the first lipstick, I think I got two of each, I think, because I want to give to you guys as well. This lipstick is in the shade called 07. It is from Blue Heaven, the special matte lip color, and the shade is super stunning. I do really hope that you guys will love the color. Look at the shade, guys. So beautiful. I'm not swatching it because this is going to one of you guys, so I'm not swatching it. So the next color which I have got is this again. Now this one is sealed. It came in sealed like this, so I'm not opening it because this is definitely going to one of you guys. So this one is a special matte lip color and the shade is 02. Look at the beautiful shade. Super excited. Are you guys excited for the giveaway? Are you guys excited to get all these gifts? So I got another one of this same shade because you know many of you wouldn't require it. Next, I think I got this for myself because I don't have any shade of this color. So this one is from Blue Heaven again. This is from their matte lip color Sapphire, and the shade name is Hot Red, and this is in the number called 105. So I'm just quickly gonna swatch this because I'm gonna use this one, and I love the shade. It's so good. Oh my god, super excited to use this. Look at the shade. What do you guys think? Whether it will look good on me or not? Let me know in the comment section down below. Such a beautiful shade, guys. Such a beautiful shade. I love this one. You know, while ordering, I thought कि मतलब उतना भी ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं होगा. पता नहीं color ऐसा लग रहा है. And for the price point, I think under 100 rupees. And all these, I'll mention the prices on the screen because मुझे अभी currently याद नहीं है. But this one, I was really like कि सच में ऐसा color आएगा. सच में इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा color आएगा. And to my surprise, it did. I'm super happy. It's such a beautiful shade. Look at it. Let me know whether it will look good on me or not because I currently have a wedding in my family coming up, and I'm just super excited because 2020 में इतना खराब किया ना, मतलब there were so many people suffering all around the world, and you know, and still 2021 maybe still there is so many possibilities, but वो एक invitation आया तो उसमें तो अच्छा दिखना ही है. Last, I got one Biotech Bio Papaya Visibly Flawless Skin Face Wash for one of you guys. So this is definitely going to one of you guys. It's all sealed. I'm not opening it. Look at this shade. That was it for today's video, guys. I do really hope that you guys had found this video helpful. If you're planning on to purchase any of the products which are being mentioned here, all the links will be mentioned in the description box down below, so please don't forget to check that out. Even all the prices should have been mentioned in the entire video on screen, and many of the products over here are going for giveaways. Stay tuned for my 1K giveaway, and stay tuned for many more giveaways coming on my channel. It is gonna take some time for the process and everything, but I can guarantee this to you guys that it is going to be a super amazing giveaway, and all of you guys will love it. I'm just so hoping that all of you guys will support and participate, and just keeping my spirits high. Till then, stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.